active. But viewers, there's more breaking news coming in at this point of time. A mass shooting has been reported in a nightclub in Alabama, and the latest information that we have with us is that there are 4 people who've lost their lives. There is a mass shooting that has been reported in a nightclub in Alabama. Rishabh, what are the details that you're tracking? What more do we know?
So what we're learning right now that in Alabama, at least 4 people have been shot dead while 9 others are injured, and a few of them critically injured when a man opened fire at a nightclub in Alabama. And this is another instance of how fragile the gun laws in the United States is, how easily guns and weapons are available. And this is at least 130th such case only this year, Sagarika. If we talk about United States, there have been at least 130 mass shooting cases in United States since the beginning of 2024, and in this case in Alabama, at least 4 have lost their life while 9 others have been injured, few of them critically injured as well. The police officials on spot have now taken the attacker in custody, the assailant in custody. Further investigations are on behind the motive and other nitty-gritties of the case.
All right, thank you, Rishabh, for getting us those details. Taking a short break, but we're keeping a close watch on that story. Another incident of mass shooting reported in Alabama. Time now for us to slip into a short commercial break. Stay with us, viewers. We'll be back with the news and updates.